Hello everyone, my name is John and my topic is on multilingualism in Pakistan. This topic will explore many languages beside English language that is being spoken by a typical Pakistan and why. Here is a brief history of how Pakistan came into existence.
In 1947, following Britain's withdrawal from its Indian Empire, India and Pakistan became independent states carved out of the former British Raj.
As Pakistan came into existence, it gave birth to a lot of languages that we're going to explore here today. Every individual who can communicate does that by speaking one form of language or the other. In other words, language is a major means of our identity, origin, culture, and belonging. Ancient Greek scholars began the study of language over 2,000 years ago. According to Notkevsky, the language is a set of finite or infinite of sentences, each finite in length and constructed out of a finite set of elements, just as we can see these elements as represented characters in Pakistan. In Pakistan are many languages spoken. A typical Pakistani speaks two languages, English and Urdu. Other popular languages are also being spoken here, as we can see below: Punjabi, Pashto, and Shintui. How many languages are spoken in Pakistan? In any case, a conservative estimate would be that there are not less than 60 languages spoken as mother languages in Pakistan, but they also include representatives of Dravidian, Sino-Tibetan, and even one language isolated in the northern valley of Nanga, Umzi, and the Yoshi. Here is a scale of languages and percentages of those that speaks them in the country of Pakistan. We can see that Panju has the highest number of people that speaks that. Which language is mostly spoken in Pakistan? All over the country, it is used as a medium of instruction in primary education and as a language of electronic communication. In addition to this, Urdu in Pakistan also enjoys an extraordinary high official prestige. It is one of the two languages explicitly mentioned in the 1973 Constitution. Spoken mostly by the urban elites, it serves as a key symbol for the country's national unity. Here are some languages seriously endangered in Pakistan, as the case may be. In conclusion, Pakistan is a multilingual country with 6 major and over 59 small languages. However, the languages of the domain power, government, corporate sector, media, and education are English and Urdu. The state policies have favored these two languages at the expense of others. This has resulted in the expression of ethnic identity through language other than the Urdu. It has also resulted in English having become a symbol of the upper class. Here also are the references that will help one to learn more about the various languages that have been spoken in Pakistan. I feel so impressed about this topic because it has helped me to learn more and giving me more exposure as pertaining to languages that have been spoken in Pakistan. In my transcript, I also few other details and notes that will be of benefit to those that will view this presentation. Thank you.